My name is Daria, and I was born and raised in Kyiv, Ukraine. 2 weeks ago, I was just a student at CEU, passionate about my research, but also just trying to enjoy my youth and postpone my adulthood. On February 24th, my adulthood came unannounced. Today, I am a warrior, just as much as every single Ukrainian in Ukraine and all over the world is. I would like to say the phrase that I learned as a child in one of the first revolutions in Ukraine. This is a recipe of how to overcome great evil and how to bring justice back to this world. Разом нас багато. Together, we are many. Thank you for your support in all of our efforts so far. Unfortunately, there is much more help needed. So please, consider donating to our Ukrainian Solidarity Fund, so that more students like me can come to CEU, study, and ensure a future in which societies are free, democratic, and just.